Good morning, my friends. Georgia Fox Hatfield coming to you from Hidden Lake Park in Maryville, Indiana. It's right off of Broadway and 61st. It's just a beautiful place. And I just wanted to tell you happy Thursday, give you a beautiful view to look at. Every day it's important to do something for yourself, something that's mindful, keeps you grounded, healthy. Life is hard, but nature is beautiful. And listen to the birds. It's perfect. Happy Thursday, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe, follow, send a like, and tell me where you're watching from. #FollowTheFox. See you soon, my friends.